Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brand new secret fish, Dark Megalodon, and fish it. So in this latest update, Dark Megalodon has been added as a secret fish with the extremely rare chance of around 1 in 8 million. This one, and I think it's so cool. It has a dark color, and to catch it, you need to find the Dark Megalodon event. This event will spawn randomly, but many players have spotted it near the new island Stingray Shore, and usually it spawns at the right of the island. This one, you can see it. You can see the dark area over there with the dark storm clouds like that, and that's the sign that the Dark Megalodon event is active. And once you find it, just sail directly to the area like this, and then next just start to fishing on this area like this. And since this is a very rare fish, make sure you are using your best rod to maximize your chance. And then just keep fishing patiently until the Dark Megalodon appears and you finally reel it in. And okay, that's how you can get the new secret Dark Megalodon and fish it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!